The manual grind of traditional sales and marketing, writing individual cold emails, researching leads, and managing follow-ups, is becoming a bottleneck. When you introduce modern AI automation, that chaotic storm of administrative tasks dissolves into a streamlined digital process that operates at an unmatched scale. Most professionals limit themselves to using AI as a basic text generator, which results in the same generic outreach that fills every inbox. To move beyond that, you have to approach AI as a workflow automation engine that manages every stage of the sales cycle simultaneously. Moving from a traditional role into a position as an AI sales engineer or marketing automation specialist requires 4 specific shifts in how you handle your domain expertise. These shifts do not require a background in computer science. You can build these automated systems using natural language, meaning zero coding experience is required to start this transition. AI is not a replacement for your domain expertise. It is the lever you use to scale it. Your understanding of client psychology and market analysis is what directs the machine to perform effectively. The first shift is moving toward AI agents. These autonomous workers operate 24/7 to research, qualify leads, and manage communications. Specialized platforms like Artisan and Warmly identify promising leads and initiate contact instantly, moving a prospect to a booked meeting without manual intervention. To master this, you need to map out the inbound and outbound logic these platforms follow. Your goal is to understand how the data flows from one stage of the sale to the next, rather than trying to understand the code beneath the surface. These agents operate on a continuous learning loop. They analyze the natural language feedback they receive from every interaction, whether it's a positive reply or a rejection, to refine their conversion strategy for the next prospect. The modern sales advantage comes from architecting the logic that governs these agents. You are moving from a role of execution to a role of system design. Applying AI generally across a business often leads to mediocre results because the machine lacks context. To secure a high-value role, you must integrate AI deeply into one specific subdomain where your expertise is strongest. This means specializing in high-value niches ripe for automation, like B2B outbound workflows, dynamic pricing, or CRM management. Select one specific lane based on your past experience or technical interest. This allows you to go deeper into the specific problems AI can solve. Once you have selected your lane, update your professional identity. You are positioning yourself not as a generalist, but as a specialist who knows exactly how to automate a specific vertical. India's marketing sector currently has a gap of over 70,000 specialists. Because professionals who bridge the gap between sales psychology and AI automation are rare, those who own a specific niche are commanding compensation between 15 and 40 lakh per year. The third shift is mastering prompt engineering. This is the process of building the complex instruction sets required to move AI output from generic templates to hyper-personalized communication. Vague prompts like draft a cold email result in generic templates filled with placeholder brackets. These are easily spotted by clients and lead to near zero conversion rates. A high-converting prompt uses specific data variables like career milestones, salary constraints, and industry contributions to create a highly nuanced message. This level of personalization at scale fundamentally changes how prospects respond. It demonstrates that you understand their specific context, even when the outreach is automated. Because this field is evolving quickly, a formal certification in generative AI can serve as a necessary signal to employers that you have moved past basic experimentation and into professional-grade implementation. Prompt engineering is effectively the new programming language for business operations. The more context you provide, the higher the financial return on the AI's output. To translate this knowledge into market value, you must rewrite your public professional headline. It should explicitly state your ability to leverage AI agents and marketing automation within your niche. Recruiters are actively searching for specific technical keywords. Ensure your profile includes terms like AI automation, generative AI for sales, and workflow architect. When searching for roles, prioritize companies that specifically mention digital transformation or AI adoption in their corporate filings or job descriptions. These organizations have already acknowledged the need for your skill set. You should also pitch these capabilities to traditional firms that haven't posted an AI role yet. By explaining how you can automate their manual sales processes, you create a position for yourself where there was no previous job opening. Becoming an AI translator for traditional businesses is the most direct way to capitalize on the massive talent shortage currently impacting the Indian market. To recap the strategy, you must identify your AI agent tools, select a specific niche, master the art of the prompt, and update your professional positioning. Executing these steps moves you out of the manual labor pool and into the most lucrative segment of the modern Indian workforce. Your first task is to log into an AI agent platform today. Set up one automated, hyper-personalized workflow to see exactly how these systems handle lead qualification. Taking this action today starts the transition toward a specialized role, ensuring you are among the few who command automation rather than being sidelined by it.